Hi, I'm Skip Reynolds with Skipton Law, Estate Planning, and Elder Law here in Centennial, Colorado. And on today's video, I want to talk briefly about the financial powers of attorney. See, we all know that we need these things, but often what we see when people, I'll call it do it themselves by going to whatever resource, whether it's on the web or discount store or even an attorney who maybe doesn't practice in this area, is that there are certain pieces of the Colorado specific power of attorney that need to be initialed in order to give specific powers to the individual or individuals that you're naming to be your power of attorney. One of the big issues that we see, though, is that oftentimes people don't know what some of these powers actually mean and or what the powers would be helpful or not helpful if they give these powers to their agent. And so often what we see is they don't grant these powers, or they only grant a couple of them, maybe the 2 or 3 that they understand. Because I think we can all relate that if we don't understand something financial, we choose not to grant that power regarding our financial lives if we don't understand it. And so what we run into in our office is so often these people are coming to us, it's usually the children, and the parents need help doing whatever it might be, qualifying for Medicaid. We need to try to transfer mom or dad's house in a different way to avoid probate, or one of the kids lives in the house. How do we make sure that this kid is taken care of and receives the house as a part of their share when mom or dad are gone? Well, if mom or dad are no longer capable of making those things happen, we're now using that power of attorney. And if we don't have those powers given inside of that power, because we've done it ourselves or maybe didn't understand what was in there, we oftentimes run into in our office the situation where we cannot do what the family would prefer or want to do. All because the power of attorney was done, but it wasn't done absolutely correctly. So if you'd like to learn more about things like the powers of attorney to a greater degree, or you'd like to learn more about wills or trusts or how to protect our estate from things like the nursing home, we do bi-monthly workshops here in our office. There's 2 ways that you can sign up for it. One is you can go to our website, which is www.skiptonlaw.com, and you can click on the resource tab, and down below that it will have all of our workshops upcoming, and you can sign up there. Or you can call our office at 720-440-2774, and we'll get you signed up that way as well. So if you like this content, you can go ahead and hit like on our YouTube page or go to our YouTube page where we've got other resources as well. Hopefully this was beneficial to you. Again, I'm Skip Reynolds with Skipton Law, Estate Planning, and Elder Law here in Centennial, Colorado. Thanks so much and have a great rest of your day.